I have spent the last 1 month experimenting with the Lakme CC mousse to do this review. Watch out for a fun clip at the end and let's get started. The Lakme CC mousse retails for 480 rupees for 25 grams of product, and hold up, wait a minute, comes in this staggering 4 shades. I don't even know how to begin with the disappointment talk, but I'll keep that for the end. The packaging is quite travel friendly and light, but when you open the pack, you are left with this odd looking product that can really pass off as sand slime on first glance, but when you poke it, it is really a whipped mousse that has balled into this odd looking product. Texture is super fluffy and might I even say fun. I'm in the shade A1 Frappe, which even for an NC25 like me is light. Gird your loins to my very dramatic and real first reaction to this product. I'm going to start off with the smell. It is very evident and has the same profile as of other Lakme products. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. The texture of the Lakme CC mousse took me by surprise the first time, but I got flashes of using the Maybelline mousse 12 years ago, so it was a nice jog down memory lane. Do you remember that fun product? College memories. In terms of application though, you can tell that this is super easy to use, blends like a dream in both patting and wiping motion, and honestly, I was very surprised. The coverage of this is also a huge Debbie Downer because it clearly does not exist. For a second there, I was confused with a weird sunscreen like white cast after I applied the mousse cream, but then I realized it's its sad attempt to being a CC cream. Yeah. As you can see in the before and after, there is no coverage, just white cast or an effect of an even tone, something that you could most probably get just with a powder on your face. I am smiling here, but I am dying on the inside with this product on, as something that I feared did happen. The dreaded dry skin cling that all mousse products are known for. It started clinging onto my nose like it was clinging for its dear life and surprising me in the process because I didn't even know that I have a dry nose. It's my skin after an hour on the same day, and this is after 4 hours. I can proudly say I was brave enough to try this foundation for a whole month while my husband laments, "Komal, what is that on your face? You look like a effing zombie." So the question is, would I recommend this? And the short answer is no. Hell to the no. But if you are someone who likes no coverage products that smell a bit like perfume while blending easily, and you can find your perfect shade in the God forbidden 4 shade habit of Lakme, then sure, go ahead. But to other folks, I dare you to try it. Honestly, don't know whom this product is for, but sure as hell is super fun to play around with. Here's a clip of it in all of its wheeling glory. And at last, after watching this video, do you think that you will try Lakme CC mousse, or have you already tried it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and that's about it. Bye. Also, Happy New Year.